Hello friends, thanks for visiting our channel. Today's topic is how British fooled German pilots to eat carrots, and that too a lot. This story starts in World War II as the world was divided into two main powers, the Axis power and the Allies. During the 1940 Blitzkrieg, the Luftwaffe, the bomber of German Air Force, often struck under the cover of darkness in order to make it more difficult for the German planes to hit the target in London. What the British government did was, the British government issued citywide blackouts. Blackouts means power cut. Blackouts. The Royal Air Force were able to repel the German fighter in part because the development of new secret radar technology, which was first of its kind, and the German didn't know about the technology. On-board airborne interception radar (AI), also called as artificial intelligence nowadays, first used by Royal Air Force in 1939, had the ability to pinpoint the enemy bombers before they reached the English Channel. English Channel means before reaching London it was in the middle of the sea. But to keep that under secret, according to the research pulled out from the files of Imperial War Museum, the Mass Observation Archive, and the UK National Archive, said the ministry provided another reason for their success. It was funny but true. As RAF pilots were fed with carrots in order to increase their night vision. In 1940, Royal Air Force night fighter ace John Cunningham, nicknamed Cat Eyes, was the first to shoot down an enemy planes using the new radar technology. He destroyed total of 20 bombers, 19 of which were at night. When the Ministry of Defense was interviewed about the success, the ministry told the newspaper that the reason for their success was because pilots like Cunningham ate excess of carrot in their diet. It was very funny, but it was real. One of the many advertisements that appeared during the World War II that encouraged consumption of carrots for help seeing in blackouts. There is no proper evidence to say that the Germans would have given carrots, but it is believed that they had to follow some of the silly ideas. There are amazing tales that the Germans started feeding their pilots lots of carrots as they thought that was some truth in it, and it will help the German pilots to see in the dark blackout sky of London. Whether or not Germans bought it or not, the British generally believed that eating carrot would help them to see better during the citywide blackouts as they wanted to see in the dark. Advertisement with the slogans "Carrots keep you healthy" and "Help you see in the dark blackout sky" appeared everywhere, and this is not only fooled Germans but also fooled the British citizen and entire world. As some people still believe that eating lots of carrot would increase your eyesight. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and like, comment. Bye.